Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, my package came via FedEx and it only took about 2 days to get to me. Now the name of this company is called Geniuswigs and this is the packaging that I received. There was nothing extra in the box, just the wig itself and some care instructions, and that's pretty much it. So this is the wig, you guys. This is a bob. Now I chose a 10-inch bob because I never really rocked bobs, well, a lot of bobs on my channel, so I definitely wanted to bring it to you guys. It is hot as hell out here in New York, so it's definitely bob season. But what I wanted to point out about this particular wig is the fake scalp. Do you guys see that? That is amazing. Like, you don't have to worry about parting space or anything like that because it has plenty of it, and you don't have to worry about bleaching the knots or anything like that. It comes with a fake scalp, and this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, that parting space goes back really far. So this is the wig itself. I'm trying it on before I cut off the lace just to make sure everything fits. Now, as you guys also saw in the clip, it does have 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and it also came with a removable elastic band. Okay, you guys, so this is going to be a really short video because there's really not much that I had to do to this wig. As you all can see, I'm just running my flat iron through it just to get that wiggy look out of it. I don't have this wig adhered to my head at all. I am using the combs and the adjustable straps that came on the wig. I did not use the elastic band because it fit perfectly without it. So yeah, now I'm just going to go in also with my Irresistible Me curling wand and just flat out the parting space. Then I'm just going to add some powder foundation to the parting space, only because I'm wearing a wig cap underneath. So I wanted to kind of blend that in and make it look, you know, more my skin tone. And that is it, you guys. If you're interested in this unit, all of the links plus a coupon code will be down below in the description box, so please be sure to check there and let me know what you guys think about this wig. It's definitely bob season. I love it. I wore it out, got tons of compliments, everyone loved it, and I love it too. Something about short bobs, short black bobs on me that I absolutely love. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.